I want to create lists in my cell so people can easily just select from a drop-down menu. Click on data, go to data validation, cell range, click on this little box, and we could go ahead and select our cell range. Here we go, press OK. Where it says criteria, we want to change this to list of items. In here, we can enter all of the items separated by comma. So I want to say not started, comma, in progress, comma, complete. And then we can go ahead and press save. So there we go. We have our drop-down list. So not started or in progress, complete. Let's go ahead and set up progress trackers. So go to format, conditional formatting, and then over here we can select the range. So I'm going to go ahead and select the range to this column here, our status column. I want to press on OK. The format rule should be that if it contains a text, if it says complete, I want it to highlight in green, and I want the text to show up as white. Press on done. So now I've got my conditional formatting. As soon as I highlight one of these in progress or complete, it's going to show up. The next step is to add project notifications. Who's made the changes, when they were made, and what changed. Let's go to tools here, and we'll go to notification rules. You can select when and how often you want to receive notifications. Let's go ahead and say any changes are made and press save. Anytime a team member makes a change, I'll be notified in a daily digest with all of the changes via email.